So you're an engineer or a technical professional, and you've become a manager or a leader in your organization. And now you're faced with one of the biggest challenges technical professionals ever face, which is you have to give away technical work to do more leadership activities. You have to delegate. And that is so challenging. In fact, I've seen unfortunately, many engineers fail in management because they don't delegate and they won't let go of what they perceive to be the good stuff, right? What they grew up on, the technical details. Well, in today's engineering management lessons video, I am thrilled to have with me Raine Gardner. Raine is a licensed professional engineer and she's a team leader at MSA Professional Services. And Raine, you're going to talk to us about your journey into leadership and how you became really good at delegating. So how does one delegate better?
Delegation can be challenging, that's for sure. And what I've learned has been successful is that I have to sometimes adapt to myself and what I'm portraying and laying out differently for each individual, because we all learn and hear things differently, even though the process could be the same. And so I have had to adapt myself based on the different disciplines on my team and work with them on a one-on-one basis. I think it's really important for myself as a leader, being in the team leader position, to work one-on-one with individuals if they're getting a new concept or a new type of project, to really hone in as to step-by-step what the expectations are, which is extremely important, and then let them know it's okay to make a mistake. It's going to happen. I kind of expect it usually. And if I don't see mistakes, I kind of wonder, well, was the task too easy, or did they actually do the full task? I'm not saying we want mistakes all the time. That's not what we want, but I want them to feel comfortable, get so far, ask questions, come back. And if you don't get it right the first time, it's okay. And that's really important. As younger engineers are coming in the profession, I see their fear of making a mistake, and I'm like, we're not going to be perfect. It's going to happen, and we have to be okay with that. But spending that time one-on-one to really set that basis on the delegation of the task and the work, if it's new, is important, so that they understand the expectations of what I have in front of them, and then hopefully they can meet that.
I hope you found that helpful. I mean, really what you heard Raine go through is a lot of good steps that you can take to delegate, but the one that I really liked that she said was you have to let people know that they can come to you for help, right? This happens all the time. You delegate something to a young engineer or technical professional, they start working on it, they have a problem, but they're nervous to come and ask you for help because they think that they're going to look incompetent, which they won't, but they think they will. So they keep designing, they go off on a 40-hour tangent, and the budget for that project gets blown up. So you as the leader, yes, you need to set expectations like Raine said, but you also need to let them know that you expect to hear from them, especially early on in the process, because you want to make sure that they are on the right track. And if you do that, you will be successful at delegation, and therefore you will be a successful engineering leader. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel here. We put out lessons like this on a weekly basis to help engineers become better managers and leaders. I'll see you next week.